It fits entirely in with my personal ethos that citizens need to be in control, and with the ethos of the 2014 Act. And one of the problems is actually getting a translation from the 2014 Act and the UN Convention on the Rights of Disabled People, and the Regulation and Inspection Acts and all of the surrounding legislation, Future Generations Act, actually getting those to be put into practice on the ground. And there's huge resistance in local authorities, unfortunately, and it's really not surprising because they're desperately short of funds. They've been asset stripped for the last 8 years. So anything that puts any sort of time burden or staff burden on them, they're deeply resistant to. Most local authorities are still resistant to direct payments per se. You saw the figures this morning. What was it? 5,000 people out of 150,000 people, off the top of my head. And direct payments now is supposed to be the default option that's offered to people as soon as they start the what matters conversation, as soon as they get to the point of the local authority agreeing that they're eligible for some sort of support.